Hello. Good morning, afternoon, evening. I don't know what time it is for you guys, but hello. Happy Friday and happy birthday to one of the best girls in the world, Becca. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Becca. Happy birthday to you. If you're around Becca, give her a big old hug from me. She is one of the best people in the universe. So I am doing coil folds on double rolls of the cinnamon roll loaves that I make, and I got my hands wet so that it wouldn't stick to my gloves. So fun fact, that's a helpful hint hopefully. And so we're just going to do some coil folds until I feel like there's enough tension going on in the loaf, and then we're going to let it figure out its life and finish its fermentation. But I have, so these are 4 loaves total. I have one that's already been sold, and I have 3 that are still available. If anyone is interested, let me know. But yeah, so this is the cinnamon roll loaf. The cinnamon roll loaf is where the dough has sugar in it, brown sugar. So it's a sweeter dough, which, you know, makes it more like a cinnamon roll, but it's a loaf. So there's that. And so all I'm doing, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm just grabbing it from the sides. And it's already started coming together. If you see, it's not even sticking to my gloves anymore, so I don't need the water. And so I'm just kind of taking it from the sides, turning it 180 degrees. Is that right? And then that way it is, again, just building the tension in the loaf, which is what helps build the gluten in there, which is what helps get the gases going, all the good fun things. Okay, so I feel like it's good to go. I don't want it started to rip on the top, and so let's just do a few more, and then we're gonna put the cover on, and we'll go to the next one. But the cinnamon brown sugar, so I don't know if you could see, but there's cinnamon in the loaf. It's darker, so it has cinnamon in the loaf, brown sugar in the loaf, and then there we go. And then we're just gonna kind of tuck it under itself. There we go. And just make a nice pretty ball. And then once you make the ball, it's customary to slap that ball. Watch any video. That's what we do, I guess, in the sourdough world. I don't know. Okay, let's move on to the next loaves that I need to do. But the full loaves are $12 each. Let me know if you like any of the 3 that I have left. But I really like the cinnamon roll. I mean, I do the regular cinnamon brown sugar too, but I like the cinnamon roll because of the sweetness in the actual dough. And so it, like, I don't know, I just like it like that. And I guess some of my other customers are the same. They like it like that too. So okay, but we are just gonna move along. I'm getting my exercise for the day, especially my arms. I should learn some leg exercises for when I'm doing this. That way I'm not just standing here. Just do some, you know, squats. Just kidding, I don't know. Anyway, so that's what's going on. Let me know if you'd like any of the 3 cinnamon roll loaves that I have available. And it'll be available tomorrow for pickup. It'll be before 4:30, so if you let me know, I will message you when they are ready to be picked up. So let me know. Again, $12 each. And we're building the tension, we're building the gluten, making it nice and pretty. Just kidding, we make it pretty later. But what are you guys doing this weekend? What's new with you guys? We have our awesome, lovely goddaughters coming, which I'm super excited about. So I'm excited about that. I'm still working on my data for my freaking dissertation. Oh my gosh. If you've ever worked with SPSS, dude, put a comment. Tell me how lovely it was or is for you. Oh my goodness. SPSS is just something else. Anyway, so there's that. So we are almost done building the tension in this one. Okay. So there we go. We are good to go on this one too. We're gonna make it a nice ball. Customary patty pat pat. Because that's what we do. And then we put the cover on it. And then we put our towel on it, wrap it up like a nice little baby. And say, grow for me, my sweet pretties. And then it'll grow. And then this, because it has dough in it, this will not go down my drain. This will go outside in the dirt. Because, yeah, that will clog your drain. Don't do it. Alright, let me know if you like any of the other three that are available. Let me know if you'd like to place an order for anything else. It's good to see y'all. Make good choices. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.